Hello everyone. I hope all are fine and stay safe. We know that in today's world we are facing a crucial situation of COVID-19. So this COVID-19 makes a lot of change in our society, in educational system, in economic system, in industrial system, all sectors. Because of this causes, our educational system follow an online class in all the school, colleges and all other educational institutions. So today I am going to take a few topics based on CBSE Class 10, Chapter 10, Light Reflection and Refraction. I am going to take the topic reflection of light and the two laws based on this phenomenon. All are ready? Okay. So, dear all, we know that light is the main source of energy which is enabled to see, which give a sensation of vision. Light travel everywhere. Light didn't want any medium. They can travel through any world. Okay. The speed of the light is very high. It's about 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is a main source of energy. Without light, we cannot see anything and the life is impossible. So, light is a very important thing in our life. There are so many phenomena relating light, such as reflection, refraction, dispersion, so many phenomena. So, the first phenomenon, which is an easiest one, is reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Reflection. Do you heard about this word? Yes, this is a common word, a reflection. What is that reflection? It's just a bouncing back of light. It's a bouncing back of light. Let's see how the reflection occurs. When a light strikes on a surface, that surface wants to be an opaque one. We know that the materials are classified into three: opaque object, transparent object and translucent object. This is a book. We know that this book is an opaque object. When a light strikes on this book, strike on the surface of this book, that light will go to the same medium. And that light didn't go through the book. So, when the light hit on the surface of the book, that light will go to the same medium. Why the light go to the same medium? Because it is strike on a surface. So, when the light hit on the surface, it will go to the same medium. Okay. So, simply the reflection is the bouncing back of light, bouncing back of light to the same medium after striking it on a surface. That's why we can see our image in the mirror. That's why we can see all objects in our world, in our surroundings. So reflection is one of the most important phenomenon relating to light. Okay, so I hope all of you understand about reflection. It's a bouncing back of light to the same medium after striking it on a surface. Okay, the next is laws of reflection. In reflection, there are two laws. So, the laws connecting with the phenomenon reflection are two laws of reflection. The first one is the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection. So the first law is angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Let's see how the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection will be equal. This line is a surface. Consider this line is a surface. It's like a mirror. This is the reflecting surface. The upper part is the reflecting surface and the lower part is the non-reflecting surface or the polished surface. When a light incident in this surface, of course, we know that the light will reflected to the same medium. Before we are going to state this law, we want to draw one thing that is called normal. What is normal? A perpendicular line passing through a line. So this is an imaginary perpendicular line which hit on the surface. Now an incident ray is traveling like this. This is the incident ray. Okay? Incident ray. The light will reflected to the same medium like this. So this is a reflected ray. So both the rays make an angle with normal. Both the incident ray and the reflected ray make an angle with the normal. And these two angles will be same. The angle between the incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence, angle I. Angle of incidence, that is angle I. And the angle made by the normal and the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. Angle of reflection, angle R, small letter R. So this angle I will be equal to angle R. This is the first law. First law. The second law states that the incident ray normal to the surface and the reflected ray the same plane. All lie in the same plane. So we already draw this figure, the reflection of light. This is the normal and this is reflection. So this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray and this is the normal. These three rays, these three lines lie on the same plane. So this is the another law, the second law of reflection. So the first law states that angle of incident will be equal to the angle of reflection. And the second law states that the incident ray, the normal and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. These are the two laws depends on the phenomenon of reflection. All the reflecting surfaces obey this law. Okay. So today I took two portions, reflection of light and the laws of reflection. I hope all of you understand today's topic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.